Assalamu alaikum. Student Math Class 10th Science Group English Medium Miscellaneous Exercise 9 Multiple Choice Questions Solution. Number 1. In the circular figure ADB is called. D is missing, student. There must be a point D over here. So we can see that ADB is a straight line segment which joins 2 points on the circumference of the circle. By definition, it is called chord. So option C is correct. First MCQ. Second, in the circular figure, ACB is called. Student, you can see ACB. It is a part of the circumference of the given circle. So by definition, it is an arc. Second, option A is correct. Third one, in the circular figure, AOB is called AOB. Student, when a chord passes through the center of the circle, it becomes diameter. So by definition, it is the diameter of the given circle. Option 3, D part is correct. Fourth, in a circular figure, two chords AB and CD are equidistant from the center. They will be parallel, non-congruent, congruent, or perpendicular. Student, as we know that when two chords A, B and C, D are equidistant from the circle, then they are congruent. There is a theorem in this chapter which states this fact. So option C is correct. Fifth, radii of the circle are all equal in length. So option A is correct. Sixth, a chord passing through the center of a circle is called. When a chord passes through the center of the circle, then it becomes diameter, as discussed earlier in this lecture. So option B is correct. Next, right bisector of the chord of a circle also always passes through the center of the circle. Student, option C is correct. Next, the circular region bounded by two radii and the corresponding arc is called sector of the circle. By definition, it is the sector of a circle. Ninth, the distance of any point of the circle to its center is called radius. Option A is correct. 10th, line segment joining any point of the circle to the center is called radial segment. Option C is correct. 11th, locus of a point in a plane equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. This is the definition of the circle. So MCQ number 11, option B is correct. 12th, the symbol for the triangle is option B is correct, student. As we know, the symbol of the triangle is given in the option B. 13th, a complete circle is divided into 360 degrees. Option D is correct. 14th, through how many non-collinear points can a circle pass? Student, we know that a circle can pass through 3 non-collinear points. So option C is correct. Thank you very much.